Hey friends, today's really fast dinner is actually required because the day got away from me and I also called a family meeting. So that means I have to provide a dinner and everything is as you can see. So I got some frozen chicken breasts that I cubed. It went easier than I expected, although I did have to break out a mallet to get one going and just bang the hammer. Bang the back of the knife with that mallet. And anyway, so this is a recipe that is just going to be served over rice. So I'm soaking that rice just to rinse it well. I'm going to stir that up, drain off the water, and put it in the boiling water that I've already got on the stove. I'm going to season that with salt and butter. And then in a different pan, I'm going to, and before the rice is done, I'm going to throw in some green beans and zucchini just to get everything together and steamed. So I'm using a pot that's big enough to add vegetables to steam at the end. And then I'm just going to get the chicken cubes going in a hot cast iron skillet. And this is where you're going to break out all your Chinese spices. So I have some garlic in a tube, thanks to my brother who stocked my fridge while I was out of town. And honey, some soy sauce, some sesame seeds, a little sesame oil to finish it up at the end. And then I'm just gonna serve that spiced, seasoned chicken over the rice that has the veg in it. So it's a quick dinner and I gotta get moving, so be right back with next steps. Alrighty, so the rice is going in that big pot at the back of the stove, and that's got enough room for the rice to cook and then for me to throw in the green veg, so that'll steam up. And the chicken, while it's a little bit crowded, is gonna cook up nicely. So it's gonna take a good 10-15 minutes for the first side, because those are, as you know, frozen still. So once they are cooked, I'll stir them around and make sure they're cooked on all sides and through, and then I will douse them in the sauce that I'm gonna make with that soy sauce, honey, garlic, and sesame. Okay, be right back. Alrighty, that frozen chicken is browned up nicely. It's been going about 15 minutes. I just made the first turn, and now I'm going to whip up that honey, soy sauce, garlic sauce, and put it on that chicken. Let it cook in that for about another 5-10 minutes, and as long as it takes me to get that the greens going on the roast. So it looks like by the timer I've got 20 minutes till the rice is done, so I'm cooking. Alrighty, there's just about 5 minutes left on the rice. So the beans, I'm just watching them to make sure there's steam moving around in there so that they cook. And then I'm browning up, toasting up some sesame seeds that I'm just going to sprinkle all over the top of everything. And just to keep that chicken warm, I just covered that skillet. So counting down. Alrighty, there's that finished product served up family style, just in time for my family meeting. Have a great week, everybody. Mock well.